Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you all my Drunk Elephant hair and body review for you all. It's so messy, I have to cover it, oh my gosh. And it sat in quarantine for a bit and I tried it for about 2.5 weeks. So I do want to share with you the awesome mailer that they sent to me. Oh. It goes back in there. So here is the mailer, and I did take these all out of my bathroom just to show you. Well, let me show you the products first and what was in the mailer, and then I'll go over each item, the cost, and what my experience with it was. So we've got, here are the hair products. We've got the TLC Happi Scalp Scrub. We've got the Cocomino Glossing Shampoo. We've got the Cocomino Marula Cream Conditioner. We've got the Wild Marula Tangle Spray. And then we've got our body products, which we've got 3. We've got the Camellia Cream Body Cleanser. We've got the Sili Body Lotion. And we've got the Sweet Piti Deodorant Cream. So those are all of the products that are in the new line. There's so much rustling, I'm sorry. And let me just share with you some of the awesome things that are also inside this mailer because it's so cute. It came with this little like bandage looking baggie with a little Drunk Elephant logo here. And in it, it had some hair ties. It had this, which I was so excited about. How cute is that? It's like a comb. And then it had this Drunk Dry dry brush, which is kind of cool. And then it came with this beautiful, robe that is made of recycled plastic bottles. How fun is that? I love it. I just love it. And one thing that I actually really love about this is that the tie band is actually sewed into the back, so you'll never actually lose the band, because mine is always like it falls, I don't know, and then it like gets like tied up the wrong way and it's really annoying. So this is by Nuno, and it says you saved 8 plastic bottles, which is really, really cool. So thank you so much to Drunk Elephant. I was so excited to receive this package, and now let's dive into the products. Okay, so let's talk about the products. I'm going onto the website so that way I can see all the prices of everything. Everything costs from $16 to about $36, so it's relatively inexpensive for Drunk Elephant, but it might be a little more expensive for actual hair and body products. However, it's efficient even though it looks small. All of the products have a slight almond scent. It is one of my personal favorite smells in this world. It has like a sweet almond smell, and all of their products kind of run with that smell. So just know that. Let's talk about the hair products first, and then we'll go into the body products because I definitely use the hair products the most. This is the first product, and it will probably be the first step in your routine. This is the TLC Happi Scalp Scrub. This has 6 fluid ounces. This is $36, and this is actually pretty darn big. They say you can use this for your hair and your scalp and your skin. but that's awesome. So this is a scalp scrub. It's a physical exfoliant because it does have the scrubbies in it, but it also is a 10% AHA BHA blend. So it's gonna have those acids to kind of kill the dead skin cells away. If you have product buildup, if you've got dandruff, if you've got flakes, this stuff is really great to break down all of that stuff that gets stuck in your scalp. I have not had very good luck with scalp scrub type products, just because when you have a lot of hair on your head, it's hard to kind of get into the nooks and crannies of your scalp. But what I like about this is it has this like nozzle thing. And so how they tell you to do it is you have to part your hair, you put it on that part of your scalp, and then you kind of rub it in, part your hair again, do that, rub it in. It's kind of like if you're doing like a root touch up for yourself, or if the salon person is doing a root touch up for you. It's very similar. And then you leave this on in your hair for 10 minutes, and then you go and shampoo it away. I will tell you, after using this like 5 or 6 times, my scalp feels so good and clean. You can feel it kind of tingling and working in your scalp to like get rid of all that gunk, but I definitely repurchased this. Also, if I didn't let you know, I have a sensitive scalp. I have sensitive, oily, dandruffy scalp. It's like a mess. And then my actual hair is dry, kind of frizzy. Next up, we've got the shampoo and conditioner. I had original thoughts that I hated it at first. And then I started using it more and more, and it is my love. I will say there's one stipulation to this, that you need to buy them together. So here we've got the glossing shampoo. This costs $25, and then we've got the conditioner, and it also costs $25. So together it's $50. So that seems kind of steep actually. And they each have 8 fluid ounces. Let me compare with you. This is L'Oreal like drugstore shampoo and conditioner. This is 2/3 of its size. This has like 12.6 ounces. If you've got the money to pay the extra amount, this is a really nice product. So yeah, let me tell you why you have to buy these together. So when I first used this shampoo, I will say your hair feels so freaking clean. It was to the point where it was squeaky, and I felt like if I were to go like this, it would get like knotty. And I am not a person to ever have knotty hair. Like my hair is usually always pretty like not tangled. So to feel that, I was like, oh no, I don't think I like that. Also with this is I tend to shampoo my hair 2 to 3 times in the shower just so I feel like my hair feels clean. After using this one time, I was like, I don't need to shampoo again. It feels clean. And then I read on the back here, as I was reading here, as I was shampooing, it does say, apply to wet hair and massage, rinse well, do not repeat. So the one time will get your hair clean. So I guess if you compare these two, I use twice, 2 times, or 3 times the amount of shampoo that I use this time, because I like to do it again and again to make my hair feel clean. So it does save money there. So after it felt really clean, I was like, I hate this product. I don't think I like it. My hair feels squeaky. But then I used this. And when you use this, right after you use this, this literally made my hair into silk. Like the conditioner worked so well with this shampoo. Like my hair just felt like a goddess mermaid. It just felt amazing. I wouldn't buy these separately because it just felt too squeaky. And this product on its own, I feel like was so good with this one, but I feel like if I were to use this on its own, my hair would feel greasy. Especially if you have oily hair, I feel like it'll definitely make your hair feel greasy. But if you put them together, it is just like a match made in heaven. So if you do get this, definitely get them as a pair. It's really worth it. My hair does feel super clean. and super nourished and hydrated, and it looks shiny and healthy. Next up, we've got the Wild Marula Tangle Spray, and this costs $25. And usually I don't use tangle sprays. I don't ever feel like I need tangle sprays because my hair is not naughty. It's not naughty. This also serves as a heat protectant, so that's why I used it. I used it before I blow dried my hair and whatnot. And I actually really like it. It was like an extra step, but I feel like it made my hair smoother. I had less frizz, and it wasn't heavy at all. Reading that it said Wild Marula, I felt like it was going to be really oily and greasy, but it wasn't oily and greasy at all. It was very lightweight, and it just smoothed out my hair really, really nice. I will also say that this product, the spray is very large. So like one spray, oh, it smells so good. One spray uses a lot of product, so you don't need that many sprays in your hair, which is nice. Let's move on to the body products. So we've got the Camille Cream Body Cleanser. This is also 8 ounces, and this costs $20. So I will say this product is really nice. It's very gentle feeling. It's very gentle feeling, and it lathers up nicely. I think that it lathers up better on a loofah, but as you can see in this video, as I'm using it on my hands, it still lathers up just as nicely. But with a loofah, it like really like lathers. I will say that $25 is pretty steep for a cleanser, a body cleanser. And even though it's really nice and it's really nourishing and it really does make my skin feel soft, I would say that there are other products out there that are in a much smaller price bracket that do the same thing. So this is probably a product that I would use up and love, but probably not a product that I would repurchase, just because I know that there are cheaper options out there that do the same thing for my skin. However, I am quite enjoying this right now. It's like a really nice little luxury. So next up, we've got the Sili Body Lotion. This is $20, 8 ounces. Let me preface this by saying that I am personally a fan of super thick, luxurious lotions that I could slather on and just sit like this for a long time. This is definitely not like that. So when I first used it, I was like, ooh, I'm not gonna really like it. It's so thin. But let me tell you, this is actually a great product. It's a very lightweight lotion, but it's got a lot of really good things in it. It's got a blend of plant oils, butter, squalene, amino acids, reparative 5 ceramide blend, and berry supportive sodium. So this has got a lot of really good stuff in it. It's lightweight, and this is one of those products that I will be excited to use during the summertime when it's hot and I don't want to put on lotion because I'm hot, but this will hydrate my skin like whoa. And it literally, you mix it and it sinks right into your skin, and you can feel it just going and sucking it into your skin, and your skin feels hydrated right away. And look, like no residue at all. I could just go about my day and not worry about anything sticking to my skin because it has already sunken into my skin. So it's a really nice product. I think it's just a matter of what type of lotion you like. Last up in their line is the Sweet Piti Deodorant Cream. I'm sorry, this is actually the one product I haven't tried yet because, let me be honest, being stuck at home, I haven't used deodorant at all, and I've been working out every day and I just living my best life here. I don't even use deodorant. But I am excited to try this when I get back out into the real world. This is 2 fluid ounces and it is a cream deodorant. It's $16. I can't attest for how it works, but it's got a yummy smell. But it's got 4 dots here where the product comes out of. And it looks like it's going to be an exciting product. I personally haven't tried it. I've heard good things from friends. But yeah, so sorry. I can't tell you how this is, but looks good. It smells good. So that's pretty much it. I hope that that was helpful for you. They did do a really great job with the hair and body line. I still prefer the skincare stuff, but I do really enjoy these products. If I was going to recommend any product, if you have scalp buildup or whatever, this is definitely a go-to. I've already repurchased this from Sephora for the sale. Definitely really nice. If you need like a nice luxury product, I do really like this product, even though I feel like it's not a product I would use all the time, but definitely a great detangler, smoother, and all that. I do like the body lotion, although it is for the warmer weather. And if you're gonna get this, get both of them together. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Also, I will have a blog post review of still pictures and a written blog post of what I think of all these products, so definitely check that out below. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant, for sending me all of these goodies, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!